Hello, my name is Lu Yang and also called Momo Mom. Here is the shrimp deveined already and washed. First we need to marinate them. So most important part is don't afraid to get your finger dirty. You need to massage the shrimp for a few minutes. This will make it very tender, so I just use my hand. So while you're waiting, then we can prepare other ingredients. So first we need to cut green onion. And then the mushrooms, I would cut 3-4 times. That'll be enough. Then we can prepare the eggs. So if you have extra large eggs, you can use 3. If it's small, you can use 4. So today we have a little bit of small egg, so we can use 4 eggs. We need a half teaspoon salt again. Chicken broth mix, 1/6 teaspoon. You can use a fork or chopsticks to mix it. Then we can put our chopped green onion in there. So now we are ready to start cook this dish. Here is the Ropot, and I have been using Ropot since 2016. What I like about Ropot is a stir-fry function is really great, especially in the North American kitchen. And this main advantage is almost like a fumeless. That's what I like a lot about this Ropot. So usually it takes a couple of minutes. When it's warmed up already, it will show you okay. Then we can start to put the ingredient and start to cook the dish. Okay. So the first we like to cook the shrimp first. We need to add a tablespoon of oil. Then it's easy. You just put the marinated shrimp in and close the lid and then select stir fry function. When the 3 minutes counting down, you can adjust time. So for shrimp, I think we only need 1.5 minutes for pre-cook. Okay. Okay. And we can take it out for now. You do not need to wash the pot completely, but I like to rinse it off a bit. Then we're gonna pour this in. And then you can put the pre-cooked shrimp in. You add a half teaspoon sesame oil again. Then you can let it close and finish it again.